Hey guys, we got more functions that we got to graph. We're getting pretty good at this by now. So we know the routine. We're going to graph that function. We're going to make sure the parent function's on there. Then we got to come back and describe it. Translations, reflections, all those words. All right, check it out. We see y equals x squared minus 4. So x squared, we know that's parabola. We know that's quadratic. So parent function, we can get that on there real quick. So there's my parent function right there, y equals x squared, quadratic parent function parabola. Now there's no number with the x, so we're not moving this left or right. But we do have a number out on the end, so that holds true to its sign. So we've got to draw our function, we're going down 4 spots. So when you draw this parabola, it translates down 4 spots. So there you go, y is equal to x squared minus 4. So our job on this was to graph our function, got it. Make sure you got the parent function, got it. And then the third thing they say is, hey, describe what's going on here. So what's going on is we translated this. So this is a translation. And then you just have to say where you went. Did you go up, down, left, right, how many units? So we went down 4 units. So translation, we went, I usually put the 4 first. So 4 units down. So 3 things for each problem. Get your graph, get your other graph, make sure you've got them labeled, and then you just describe what just happened. Okay, let's do another one of these. See what our next one is. G of x equals x minus 5. Okay, so we walk up to this problem, and as soon as we see the squared, you start thinking, oh, it's another x squared. It's another parabola. It's a quadratic. So we go to our graph. Boom, we got it. So we've got the parent function on there right here, right now. Parent function is done. Then we look like, okay, there's a number inside the parentheses. So inside here is how many units you're going to move left or right. Remember, it's this trick one. It's the trick one, so it's opposite of what you think. It says -5, so you think you're moving left. But if you're inside parentheses, you change it. So it's actually becoming a +5, and we're going to go to the right. So we're going right 5 units this way. So that's going to put our new parabola out here. So that was 0, 0. That's 5 units to the right, 5, 0. And we'll label this one y equals x minus 5 squared. So make sure you get them both labeled. Parent function, new function, and then you just describe what happened. So we've got ourselves another translation. So with the translation, next up is which way you headed. Up, down, left, or right? We went right. So you went 5 units right. So 3 things you got to do. Get both functions on the graph. 1, 2, make sure they're labeled. Third thing is you describe what's going on. It's a translation. Left, right, up, or down. This time we went 5 units right. All right, let's try one more. Let's see what we got for our last one. How about x plus 7 squared? Let's put a number out on the end. How about a +2 on the end? Okay, so 3 in a row, all quadratics, all have the squared on there. When you see that squared, you think, aha, I got you, x squared. I know what you are. So we've got ourselves another parabola. And we've got them labeled. So there's our parent function sitting right at the vertex at 0, 0, y equals x squared. All right, let's go to work on our function. I've got a number inside there. I've got a number inside. I always change its sign. So if it's positive 7, that means we're going left. So we're going to end up thinking that's negative 7. The one out here, that holds true. So if it's positive 2, that means we're going up 2. So that stays positive 2. So on our graph, wow, we got to come all the way over. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we go up 2 spots. So we're sitting right here at over 7 to the negative, up 2, and that's where our new function comes in. So let's get him in there. That's y equals x plus 7 squared plus 2. So our job's still the same on all these examples. Parent function, got him. Our function we got there, we've got him and he's labeled. We just got to describe for the home stretch. So it is a translation. We went 7 units left, and we went 2 units up. So it was a double move for us on that one. Okay, feeling good about the graphs? We've done a little bit of this before. You got some more coming at you right now. There you go.